Basically, we always wanted a pet.
Well, it was her, really.
I'm an animal person. I wanted either a cat or dog or bird.
And I didn't.
So we compromised, and we got Trico. He's a giant cat-dog-bird griffin hybrid.
Not really a compromise.
I think having a pet changes you. We've learnt not to be so precious. It's only furniture.
And the TV.
Luckily, the neighbours have been so good.
This is a photo of him here. So that's a real human boy. And you'll see pretty much the size of his snout. Just evidence. Exhibit A.
We're so much happier now. I think people assume that having Trico is a bit of a burden because of his size. But actually what they don't realise is that he really is very gentle. Of course, we are responsible owners. We always clean up his mess.
That's what we have to look after. Every single day.
Stunning creature.
Stunningly big.
Gargantuan. Wow.
Is gargantuan a good thing?
Yes.
PS4 for the players.